Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. How you doing, ladies and gents? This is the DMV Weave Doctor, and we're back with another hair loss transformation. This client is getting a lace frontal installed. We already cornrowed her hair. Now we need to reseal her edges. She will, last time she got the glueless method. However, this time we will be using an adhesive so that she can have the most long-lasting results. Now we are just sealing down the cap to create a nice, beautiful scalp. And voila, look at them edges, girl. Yes, honey, work it. You are looking amazing. You don't have to worry about having thin edges any longer. Come to the Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland, where we cater to you. You can follow us on social media or on mainattractionshair.com. Don't be scared, girl. Pick up that phone and call us. We know how to make you look fabulous. Book now. All right. Ciao.